At the moment, we're currently remounting Waltz by Marcos Morau, which was originally created for Danish dance theatre. We've been working with one of Marcus's assistants called Marina, who's been teaching us the movement vocabulary that Marcus usually works in.
There are some bits that are in unison, so we have to be very in tune with one another. Like if you're a hair up place, it's very obvious. There are also bits that are very individual. There's a section that we're doing now which is Marina tasked us to create solos, and she's just finding a way to put the solos together.
It might be like a duet or a trio happening, but really we're all connected in that point. One person gives a single cue, then it affects the entire group, and then it's kind of like a shifting machine or some kind of organism.
The costumes that we wear are black and glittery, and at the beginning our whole body is covered up pretty much, so you can't tell who is who, and the way that our bodies are placed together. Sometimes we can look like this oil slick organism. It jumps from being like very weird to very precise.
This is the second work of Marcus's that the company has been working on. Back in 2018 we performed Tundra. In terms of how differently I feel the physicality is from Tundra to Waltz, there seems to be more of a 360 sense in our body of the style, as it was quite linear in Tundra. It's really nice to be redoing a work of Marcus's, to enter a different world but still be familiar with that style and see where this idea is maybe developed through Marcus's brain. I think visually Marcus's work is very powerful. The images that are created, especially in this work, the physicality of the movement really holds the audience.
It's very captivating. The movement really speaks for itself.